Okay, first of all, guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, same thing, 6 members on. I started recording. So, we'll see what to start. So, morning, we discussed about what is failover, load balancers, and how the cloud infrastructure backend data centers are there. Okay, so how it is there and what is the infrastructure as a service, what is private cloud, Openstack, kind of stuff. So here, important points I will tell guys. These are the pretty straightforward questions. Pretty straightforward questions. First, we should know the questions it is. First, it is out types. Second is cloud services. Out types. Cloud services. So what is the difference between on-premises to cloud, or difference between search in Google also like this, difference between traditional data center. So when I stop, I forget what I'm typing also. Like this, traditional data center versus cloud. Okay, so this is, you can go through Geek for Geeks or any other sites, also you can go find it. Okay, 99 Guru, kind of anywhere. Traditional data center and cloud data center. So what is data center? The difference is cloud and data centers and stuff. First I type correct only. These are the very important things. Next one is services. From cloud service providers, of course. Who are the cloud service provider, and what are the services from that cloud service provider? For example, AWS, AZURE, okay, AZURE, Oracle, okay, IBM, DigitalOcean, RackSpace, okay, RackSpace. Yeah, we forget Google. The Google one we call it as a GCP. Okay, GCP, RackSpace. There are a lot of cloud service providers are there. Lot of cloud providers. Cisco is providing. Okay. Microsoft is providing Azure, that is Microsoft service provider. So these are the different public cloud service providers. Okay, and what are those services we provide? So just keep it in mind. Okay, guys, these are the important. So cloud is taking of basic cloud for your interview is very easy. So why I'm telling these questions first of all, why I'm telling like this, guys, just before only I got a question from batch 16 candidate. So he got a worry like so many things are there. So people selection process, the people are worrying about it. Thing is, guys, study small things. Okay, I think a lot of people, mainly in your batch, we know we have a videos, we'll study later. Okay, this kind of attitude is there. That's why most some of people not. Even I put a message in the there also people not join. Okay, so point is, guys, when you are preparing for an interview, our interview, not any interview, I'm talking in our kind of interview, our your people face interview. First important is very basics, pretty straightforward. No need to worry about like something complex questions. Complex questions you can prepare later. Like if you keep studying, you can able to answer any complex based questions or tricky questions. Okay, so here it is first important is what is what. What is what? Okay, what is what? Second important was differences. Second one is differences. Okay, that is first point. Second, for a preparation of interview is practical. How do you do it? How it works? How do you do it? If you change something, is any effect is there? Okay, how do you do it? So practicals. Second point. Third one is tricky. Tricky means if you do like this, what will happen? Okay, if what is the difference between this and that if you change like this? Okay, so sometimes it's a cross question, like some people last time one girl got a question that is Linux having a GUI or not? Yes, Linux having GUI, we practice GUI and GUI. So not only say yes or no kind of stuff, also you can tell, sir, I used Red Hat 7 or CentOS 7 GUI version. I've seen Google thing, but mostly we operated with the commands only. GUI practice is very less, but most of the things we done in a CLI commands base only. So that's like that we have to answer. So interviewer should get a confidence that you know it. Okay, person know is different. Person don't know is different. Okay, so any both will tell an answer, but person know will tell an answer. Person who practice will tell an answer like. So what is exactly happens? Okay, now cloud types. Okay, I'm not talking about what is cloud and all. Yeah, we have to talk about what is cloud because morning already I told something. So what is a cloud? Okay, this native is like a it's a service. User access. I'm creating an answer for it. Access infrastructure or a data or application or a platform, a service, internet or network. It's a simply can say cloud. What is a cloud? It is located in somewhere and we are accessing from our end. Okay. These are the cloud types: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, okay, community cloud. Actually, there is a 3 clouds only. This community is added. Okay. Cloud services, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and there is other services are there, like a desktop as a service, Windows as a service as a code, like this different type of services also there. But the important services, the stable standard important services are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So this is the one part I told already. What is cloud? Cloud is simply a service provider. User can access infrastructure or a data or an application or a run application on a particular platform. Okay, we can access it as a service. Okay. Now, what is public cloud? What is private cloud? What is public cloud? What is private cloud? Let's see. So last time, not last time, so many days back, I told an example. I keep telling that example only. Only one person give an objection, but it is still it is valid one. And of course, I already told public and private in a direct infrastructure manner. Okay, guys. This is my infrastructure. Think like before I go to the public cloud, go to shopping mall, not shop, shopping mall, like a central mall, forum mall. If you are in Hyderabad, I know the certain names. Okay, PVR also there, no? So that is some malls are there, right? ADB mall. Okay, so like that. Central mall. So think like central malls are most common in any city, any major cities. Okay, central malls are there, no? Like Hyderabad Central Mall, Panjagutta. Okay, in a place, Panjagutta Central Mall is there, right? In Pune itself, like Pune Central Mall is there, which is near to our backside of our Chavantis in Pune. Okay, so that is a Pune Central Mall. Okay, like that. So we have a central malls also there. Mall, big building, right? Guys, are you getting point? Big building.
Yes.
Okay, so point means you have to imagination. So when you go to mall, different shops are there. It is a very big building, and you will see different shops are there. What are the shops? Like a Max is there. Okay, something Desi Baba, Ivibo, okay, KFC, Domino's, McD, okay, FBB, okay, something other means Kamal watches. Most common, I'm talking in a most common Kamal watches. Okay, Kamal watches, Sony, Chroma, like that. So you will see electronic shops are there, electronic like mobile accessory shop, mobile shops, Bajaj Electronics. Okay, you can see Bajaj Electronics is also mostly available in a big shopping malls. You can see Crossworld Bookshop, Crossworld Bookshop, Hemilis, it's a toy shop. It is also Reliance. We don't know Reliance total business. Okay, so Hemilis, that is also belongs to that thing. One more last time we visited saw EDX something is there. EDX or ECX something is there. That is belongs to electronics, second-hand electronics like mobile phones, iPad, iPhones. laptops, like second hand version we will buy. Okay, so it is a total building built by some person. Entire building I build it, I partitioned it, I given a rent to multiple people. So anybody will come and pay me, they can use the shop place, right? Facilities. This is called a public cloud. I have infrastructure. I'm maintaining infrastructure. I have a hypervisors, servers are there. Okay, I have a networks, I have storages. Okay, power connections, network connections, routers connections, everything I'm maintaining. This is my infrastructure. This is my infrastructure. Okay, now if a organization, for example, Savantis need some cloud services. We want to run some applications in the cloud. So I contact this private cloud public cloud. Okay, so contact the public cloud. So I'm talking in a public cloud, right? So this is the public cloud service provider. Okay, so I'm an organization. Contact a public cloud service provider. I want this kind of infrastructure. These are the users, they will use this infrastructure. So I will use it. So what is the advantage? I no need to, from user side, advantage is no need to maintain infrastructure in myself. I can go and use infrastructure from cloud service provider. And a public, anybody can able to connect it. Anybody, in generally any user in organization level or a simple level also they can connect and they take a service from you. So that's why written like this. This is organization level. This is user level also. Will ask a public service provider, just log in, put username and password. Automatically we can able to access your services. Not required any special negotiation kind of stuff, not required. Important thing is only we have to. Okay. Just you have to give username, password, login, give the credit card details, phone number, get authenticated. You can start using your public IP address. You can start using, public services from public. You can use it. So point is number of tenants are high. Okay, number of tenants are high. So public cloud multiple tenants multiple tenants mean either organization level or a individual users or a organizational level users in the public cloud. Okay, so multiple services. Usually public cloud service providers are provide multiple services, different type of services, like a infrastructure as a services, infrastructure services like virtual machines. Okay, storage solutions, object storage, block storage kind of stuff, storage services they will providing it. Okay, application service, platform service, type of services also they are providing. Anybody can able to access. Okay, It is a pay as you go model. Cloud services itself, it is, we can say, pay as you go model. But public means anybody is using, it is compulsory, it is pay as you go. As long as you use, you have to pay for the services. Okay. Unsubscribe anytime, unsubscribe anytime, or discontinue from anytime. Okay, so you can selectively access the services. Okay, not required, you don't need to pay everything. So pay as you use, pay as you go means pay. So what services you are using, pay only for what services you are using. For example, earlier days, TV kind of stuff, right? So you have to pay 300 rupees for these package channels. Out of that, most of the channels we don't watch it. In our home, some people don't watch news channels. Some people don't watch daily serial channels. Some people don't watch old movie channels. Some people not required to watch. Like for example, I am a Telugu guy. I watch Telugu related. Next is English. Next is Hindi. That's it. Okay. Last part, preferably in this last. Only for one or two series, or maybe certain things by accidentally. Maybe in a home, anyone is like a particular series in Hindi or English or Telugu. We'll watch based on that. I don't understand Bangla. I don't understand Malayalam, Kannada, but I have to pay. It is not like that. Here, I want to watch these channels, only 5 channels. Then I will pay for that one. Why should I pay for everything? So similarly, the concept is of a public cloud. You are a public user, you have to pay for the service usage, and you have to pay only for the services you are using it. So that is public cloud. You can remove or disconnect from anytime or anywhere, you can do it. Access from anywhere, anytime. Any device, it is not completely depends. Okay, so any device statement, not for every service. For example, you want to access a virtual machine, remote virtual machine, so you may not able to access with your mobile phone, right? So I cannot tell any device here. It's a purely depends upon different factors here. This is about your public. So who are that thing? Anybody, organization level or individual levels can be accessed to public cloud. Okay. Okay. Very simple. Anyone with user ID, password, need a credit card. Okay. So need a credit card. Okay. Anyone with user ID, password, and credit card, login, start using. So who is providing public cloud? So already I given a list earlier. So some companies like this, same only. Amazon, AWS, Amazon Web Services. Actually, I don't need to tell completely, but some people, interviewers, understand guys, interviewers, if they try to ask very basic thing like a abbreviation or a very simple, what are the services? What is the service name from the Amazon? Or AWS is belongs to which organization? Amazon, AWS. Okay. Amazon, Microsoft. Which one? Microsoft, Azure, Microsoft, Azure, Google, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Anybody, guys? No problem. You are already. Some of you are having an idea, and also I told something. Okay, you can try yourself. Like Oracle, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. You can run freely. Oracle Cloud, you can run freely. OCA. I think IBM Cloud name is IBM Cloud only. Check in Google. IBM Cloud name is IDM Cloud, computing set of cloud computing services. You can type in Google, who are the public cloud service provider. Okay, public cloud service provider. This is a few names, guys. There is a lot of companies providing public cloud. Next is private cloud. It's a single tenant type. Single tenant means no client, no individual or organizational level clients. Single tenant type is for self, for self purpose, means for the same organization, not for public usage. So I told in a public cloud, I told in a public cloud, anybody can put a shop. Like you have to go to shop owner, means building owner, pay amount, so you will able to put a shop in it. Same thing, public cloud, anybody just give your create a ID and show ID card, means your credit card, something like that, and you can start using cloud services. Private cloud is not like that. Guys, think like this. Earlier we have a big bazaars, and also you can see DMart. DMart. Again we came back to the DMart. Okay, big bazaars, DMart. If you are in Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, or any Telugu state, because very less knowledge in Maharashtra. Okay, and other states even I don't know. Bangalore I know. In Bangalore also I can tell you. But Sari Mandirs, Kala Mandir, VKC or VRK, Chandana Brothers, Brahmana Brothers in Hyderabad, you can see the showroom. Nalli Silks, okay, Chennai Silks, okay. If you see those kind of stuff, or if you see a DMart kind of stuff, it's a standalone building, means a simple single building, not complex. It's a simple building. It contains 4 floors, 5 floors, 3 floors. Building is there, but the entire building belongs to one organization. For example, I'm maintaining DMart. The entire DMart is belongs to DMart only. Entire building DMart only. So entire building, whether it is 3 floors or 4 floors, so total building is belongs to DMart. In general, it is belongs to DMart. Okay, not a rented space, or they don't give a rent certain space to anyone. Go to Big Bazaar, entire building for Big Bazaar only. I said no. If you go to Sari Mandir kind of stuff, most of these kind of stuff belongs to one single shop. Kalyan Jewelries, Kalyan Jewelries. It is there in Karvi. Okay. So Kalyan Jewelries are certain big gold shops like a Lalita Jewelries. So entire building is one shop only. Only it is belongs to one organization only. Okay. So that is a very simple understanding of private cloud. Guys, I am maintaining infrastructure. So what is the noise here? Mic problem, I think. It's okay. So full organization, entire organization will be taken care by others. Sorry, mine not working. So when I see that 6 members only concept is not getting into the mind, I'm also not feeling well. So my eye is very paining. So still I'm taking class. People are escaped. Single tenant. Okay, it is for a same organization purpose. Means I construct a infrastructure. I have an infrastructure. I am maintaining infrastructure for my organization. What it is? I am maintaining infrastructure for my organization. For my organization. Okay. So I maintain infrastructure for my organization. Okay, it's a single tenant, single organization. So who is the users? Okay, users are from my organization only. Same organization. So just for these two lines for understanding what is private cloud. Okay, so it's a single tenant type. So we are not giving for anyone. Self-organization, self-maintenance. We maintain infrastructure and we maintain it is utilized for our organization people only. Okay, sometimes we can also give it for outsiders based on a contract. Okay, and give it to can give service to organization level, can give service to organization level, but not to individual users, not to individual. For another organization, if they required, we can give it. So guys, if I build a building and if I given a rent to multiple people, so I will get a money. I will get a money. But in a private cloud, I build a building I build a infrastructure, but I'm not giving to anyone. I'm utilizing for my organization purpose. Now, how will I get a money? Depends upon the work. It depends upon the projects, depends upon the services. Like I am maintaining a data means web servers. So my organization is mainly web host kind of stuff. Web hostage services. My organization web hostage. I am a user. So understand the private cloud, guys. Again, this is public. You said no. So then I will go now with the public. Private. Sorry. That is I've written public. In the bottom, I will write a private. Okay. So in my private, so actually I'm a web host services. This is the user, means, so not user, I'm a user here in a public. I'm the admin or a developer. I'm a user, exactly say developer or a admin. Whoever it is, I'm a user. What I will do, take a virtual machine, create a virtual machine, and put all the data, all the services, okay, and create a multiple virtual machines for a load balancing and failover, give the services to the client. So I'm maintaining my infrastructure. So this user is nothing but a developer. We develop the data and put it into the server, where server is running in a private cloud. Okay, I'm the web host company. I'm maintaining infrastructure. I host into the web servers and provide a service. So I am the developer and I am using my cloud services. I am the administrator. So how to upload, how to download, or how to give access. I'm administrator and I'm accessing my cloud services only for my inside my organization. Okay, I work on it. I utilize it. So this is called a private cloud. In a simple statement, public cloud multi-tenant, private cloud single tenant. Private cloud use it for its own organization purpose only. So how it will get a money depends upon the projects. Depends upon the projects, like a web project or maybe database administration projects. So different type of projects are there, software, direct IT software projects, or infrastructure projects, or a database related projects, development related projects. Okay, so whatever it is, we got a lot of projects. Okay, so point is, based on that project you get a money, so then it is not a big burden for maintaining infrastructure in your place. Next one is hybrid. Yeah, one thing we forget, how to build a private kind of stuff. Microsoft, as I remember, I will tell. So SEVMM, SEAC. SEAC versional system center app controller. This is virtual machine manager. Okay, VMware, vCloud, or vRealize. vCloud suite or a vCloud directory. Okay, or vRealize. VMware, Microsoft SEAC, VMware vCloud. Okay, Xen Cloud, maybe it is a Citrix. Xen Cloud is there or not, we have to verify, guys. Don't push everything on one place only, right? So do you have a Xen Cloud kind of stuff? Yeah, Xen server is there. There is no Xen orchestrator is there. Xen Cloud Platform is also there. See, we are not wrong. Maybe we are wrong. So better, I'm not familiar with this part, so I've never seen. I've seen SEAC, I have done. vCloud I have done. I've seen, means I learned. But practically we can't implement. That is again software problem. Not available easily. It is not easy that much. Openstack. Openstack is directly open source private cloud platform. So what is Openstack, guys? Open source private cloud platform. So this is very simply can say private cloud service provider. You want to build your own private cloud, you can use this kind of stuff. So VMware vSphere is the product. Platform is ESXi. Okay. Next, to centralize access of VMware ESXi host, we need a vCenter. To access through cloud access, vCloud or vRealize. Same from the Microsoft hypervisor. Hyper-V is a hypervisor host. On top of it, SC, VMM, System Center, Virtual Machine Manager, SCAC, System Center, App Controller. So these are the private cloud service provider. Next, hybrid. Guys, understanding?
Yes, sir.
It is a mixture of private and public cloud. People often affected. Okay. So it is a mixture of private and public cloud. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Okay, it's a mixture of private and public cloud. So guys are there? No improvement?
Yes, sir.
And no. Okay. It is a mixture of public and private. Look at here, guys. Same diagram only, but little bit different. Not different. It is. This is my private cloud. Okay, understand? This is my private cloud. I have my own private cloud. Now it is enough for me for my current running projects. I have some around 10-20 projects are there. The infrastructure in the private cloud is enough for me. Now what happened? I got a very big contract, big project. Now my infrastructure is not enough. So already it is consuming, only 30-40%, 20%, 30% is free. Not remaining is completed. Already it is utilizing. So I don't have enough infrastructure to do that particular project. What to do? Either I have to expand my infrastructure. Again, it is cost effective, costly. Again, I have to purchase the data centers and scale up my private cloud. Then I have to utilize and I have to provide a service. Now problem is there. So what I'm doing is I contact a public cloud service provider who is having a more big infrastructure. So I contact like a AWS kind of stuff, any public cloud service provider. I told them I have these data centers. And I need a more infrastructure. Provide this kind of stuff. Okay. So we'll mix this private cloud infrastructure, public cloud infrastructure, and we do our task. So this is called a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of private cloud and public cloud. When you are using a private cloud, you need a more infrastructure for a particular task or a particular project or in a further upcoming projects. We take help of public cloud. So then we mix both the things and we do our task. So this is called a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a mixture of private and public cloud. Okay. And private cloud not enough. Not have enough of infrastructure. Okay. We took it from take or use public cloud with private cloud. So that is called a hybrid cloud. Next, it is not. It is very simple. Like if you migrate, you are mixing, like you are using a vCloud directory. There are using a Amazon AWS service, so you can integrate directly. So your private cloud and public cloud, we can integrate like that. So you are using OpenStack. They are using a Amazon cloud, so then we can mix it. Or GCP, Google Cloud Platform, we can mix it. You are using a SCCM, SCAM, okay, SCCM, SCAC. SC components are so many components are there. So SCVMM, SCAC, SCDPM, SCOA, so many things are there. Okay, so you are maintaining your own private cloud. and you now require more infrastructure, go to Azure. So then combine your private to Azure public cloud. So obviously it is become hybrid cloud. Community cloud. Community cloud is like a hybrid cloud only. Community cloud is like a hybrid cloud only. It is not even a cloud model. But it is different from the private cloud. It's a public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. So private is one single organization. Public means any organization you can come to use your organization infrastructure. That is public cloud. Hybrid is you are a private cloud. You are utilizing public cloud resources as per your requirement. Okay, so you are mixing that kind of stuff. Community cloud, two different organizations, two or more different organizations. Works on some same project. So the mixer of cloud infrastructure is called community cloud. Meaning is there's one example. Last time one guy asked me to give me another example. I didn't get any idea in that one. But this is the best example, guys. IRCTC website. You can search in Google also about other things. IRCTC website. What it is? It is a Indian railway who is maintaining still government, right? And website is maintained by TCS. Okay, IRCTC is an Indian Railways project. TCS is a private software company. Tata Consultancy Services. It's a private software company. Maybe you know NIC. What is NIC? Network Interface Card. National Informatics Center. Okay, different organization, governmental organization, government standard organizations. Okay, and private providers. So National Informatics Center is a direct government organization. Okay, not private one, not private component. Okay, some organizations are a standardized or a compulsory use a private support. Okay, so organization is a government utilize certain private resources or private software or infrastructure or maybe other kind of stuff. Okay, so like that. Yeah, for example, our airports are government related, not private. Airport is government airport only. Of course, it is contract given to different people for build a airport. Of course, they will get some money directly from airport generated money. They'll get a money from there and they will get a money from government, 50% from the government, 50% from the airport. So actually there is Hyderabad, Shamshabad airport built by GMR. Actually GMR belongs to Srikakulam near to Visakhapatnam district only, means two districts like corner district, GMR. So, and of course now most of the airports are maintained by Adani, that is different point. Okay, Adani group also maintaining airports. I think 6 or 7 airports are maintaining. Okay, so airport, building, maintenance, and what are the money generated from there and money from the government also we are paying. But how you get a money, like all it's one organization government plus the security, government, right? Not GMR, not Adani. The security people are government people, central government employees. The security is in the security in the airport is belongs to government, police. They are directly police, not a just normal security also, not a security company also. It is directly central government. But flights private. Indian Airlines now it is private. Okay, again private. Now maybe it is. Okay, we don't know. Of course, it is like a government, but it is private. There is a like a Indian Airlines, right? Air Asia, Air India. Okay, this so now everything is like a private only, right? So private airlines use our airport and pay for a airport utilization, and shops in the airport pay for a airport. Okay, so airport government is getting money and share with the person who is maintaining that one, right? So like this is a mixer business. It is like a community cloud. So I more than that I didn't get any airport kind of stuff. Okay, so different organization guys. So you can go like a NIC. I'm now yeah. Oh, software companies also there, like what we can FICCA. Okay, like that also. There's some organizations are the Indian. It belongs to India standard organizations, governmental organizations. Yeah, that is enough. That is a community cloud. Again, go back, guys. First of all, cloud types. Cloud types are private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud. Okay, what is a cloud? Cloud provides a service, different type of services. Cloud is an okay, provide a service, different type of services like a infrastructure service, data service, application service, platform services through network. Okay, user can able to access the cloud services from anywhere, anytime, from any device. Okay, cloud services can access from anywhere, anytime. Okay, any device is also possible. That is purely depends upon the service. Okay, but generally I'm telling services can be accessed from anywhere, anytime, many devices. So that is what we are saying cloud. So I will tell the differences. That time I will tell more about a cloud, the benefits of cloud. So where is I told questions here. Benefits or features of cloud. Benefits of cloud, features of cloud, cloud service providers and all. So public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud. What is public cloud? Multi-tenant kind of stuff, organizational level, individual users also can able to utilize public cloud. So a lot of people think public means free, private means paid. No guys, no. Google is providing cloud service. Without paying, you can't use Google cloud services. Understand? Gmail free. Yahoo Mail is also free. Outlook Mail is free. Live Mail is free. Can you say like Microsoft is free providing free services? It's a free service, free up to certain limit. Up to certain limit. Okay. So you have your own organization. You want to send a mails with your organization name, like your name at the rate of organization.com. Okay, like a Latif at the rate domain17.com. So I have to purchase for a domain. I have to build my own mail server, right? This is completely private or public, so we can't judge in it. Okay, so important thing is, guys, payment, either it is free or paid. It is how it is providing, which is important. Okay, so things are different. Okay, so never put in that one. That's the point. Like some people strike me, sir. You should not tell the example of what is that shopping mall, because it's a out of topic thing. You should tell like Google is free because it is free. It is a public cloud, and Microsoft Azure and all, it is private cloud. And it's completely wrong. Completely wrong. Okay, Azure is private public cloud. Azure is a public cloud. Google is private public cloud. AWS is a public cloud. Free or not free, that is a different. Any person, I can able to become a part of AWS cloud. Okay, I can be a part of AWS cloud. I can be a part of Azure cloud, and simply I need a email ID and a credit card. That's it. Log in, use your credit card, verify yourself. Now you become a user of AWS. Now you become a user of Azure or GCP. Like that's the different cloud things are there, right? So in a cloud, private cloud, it's a pay as you go type. You have to pay the amount of the based on what services you are used it, what services you are using, how long you are using, okay, how long you are using, and you can unsubscribe, subscribe, discontinue any service, any particular service or all services anytime. Any particular service, like you are using 10 services. Now you don't want, you want only 5 services. You can disconnect other 5 services. You can remove all those 5 services, no problem. Remember that one. So 5 services. Okay. You can disconnect and unsubscribe anytime or disconnect anytime. You can anytime any service, meaning is any service or services or all services, able to unsubscribe it. Okay, pay only for what services you are using, access from anywhere, that kind of stuff. These are very simple. You need some user ID, mail ID. Okay, user ID or an email ID. Okay, you have to create a user ID or email ID. Just to give a password, use a credit card, log in, start utilizing cloud services. Different cloud services are there. At least remember 5-6 cloud services: Amazon, AWS, Microsoft, Azure, Google, GCP, Oracle, OCI, cloud infrastructure I've written, but cloud direct is there. I will tell that other points also. Okay, RackSpace and IBM cloud. So there is a lot of cloud services provided. Private cloud is maintaining of cloud services within an organization. Within organization means I am utilizing my cloud services for my organization only, not for anybody. You cannot go and take the private cloud from private cloud service provider. They are not providing any service to anyone. They are not providing any cloud service to anyone. They are providing different other services, maybe web hosting, maybe a storage services, maybe email services. So cloud service, private cloud user utilize its own infrastructure for its organization, not for individual users, not for outside organization and outside individual users. Sometimes they provide services for other organizations in the certain level. Okay, so if you want to build your own private cloud, you need a certain tools like a hypervisors kind of stuff, like a Hyper-V, SCVMM, centralized virtual machine management, SCAC, system center, app controller kind of stuff to get a cloud interface, browse interface. vSphere is a again hypervisor. vCenter maintenance, centralized maintenance of vCenter host. vCloud or vRealize suite is for a cloud interface purpose. OpenStack is specifically private cloud platform. Hybrid cloud is a mixture of public cloud and private cloud. You have a private cloud, but you need more infrastructure for your some work. Okay, so contact public cloud, mix your infrastructure with the public cloud. So then you create a private hybrid cloud concept here. Community cloud is the two or more different organizations working on some project. Here it is a best example is IRCTC related projects. So Indian Railways is running railways reservation system, maintaining railway coaches and everything. And TCS providing software, web interfaces, IRCT website interface. So you want a reservation, you want to take a reservation, you can go to reservation counter and take it. Now you don't need to go always. Simply go to mobile phone or a web browser, open the IRCTC website, start taking ticket from there. You can book the ticket, Tatkal ticket or any ticket, you can book it from there. Now what to do? Okay, so either offline or online, we can able to take the ticket. So that is called a hybrid cloud. The next one, cloud services. Next one I will tell guys, cloud services. Okay. Be active guys, otherwise tell me we will discontinue, we will continue tomorrow, no problem. What happened? Okay, so if people are there, so take a 10 minutes break, 10-15 minutes break, come back and we'll complete the services of cloud first, then we'll see small part differences. That is the main part. Tomorrow morning I will show you AWS cloud, then cloud part is completed, then I will start a Office 365, which is software as a service cloud. Okay, so take a 10 to 15 minutes break, have a tea, please don't sleep. First of all, let me stop this one.